Hello kids, today we are learning alphabets with spellings. So let's start. A is for apple. Apple. A double P L E. Apple. B is for baby. Baby. B A B Y. Baby. C is for car. Car. C A R. Car. D is for duck. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. E is for egg. Egg. E-double-G. Egg. F is for fish. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. G is for God. God. G-O-A-T. God. H is for horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. I is for igloo. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. J is for jug. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. K is for kite. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. L is for line. Line. L-I-O-N. Loin. M is for monkey. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. P is for panda. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Q is for quiet. Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. T is for tiger. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. V-A-N. Van. W is for watch. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E. Xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Y-O-G-U-R-T. Yogurt. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.